Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna rise, bro.
So?
You're crazy.
Yo.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
Hey, what is up, everybody? It's Nino Panjam, aka I Got the Glasses. We're playing a new horror game, Train 131. And without further ado, let's get into it. Also, like, comment, subscribe. Remember to hit that subscribe button. 30% of you guys aren't subscribed. Subscribe to my channel right now. Nah, but hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next horror game if I play another horror game. Peace.
What did my nigga just do? What? Scissors. What? He had scissors the whole time? He had scissors the whole time. I had no idea. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Run away. Oh! No! Oh! No! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm having a mental breakdown. Oh, I swear, I'm a mental breakdown. I swear, yo. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Let's continue. Shit! If I go, what's gonna happen, bro? Dude, okay, chill out, relax. Relax. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nah, this is next. Let's do this. Whoa! This is what the fuck I'm talking. No, God, no. Please. Please, no. Okay. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing this. I'm so fucking shook. I'm so shook. What the fuck? No. So okay, so after this, as you can see, I closed my client, but then I went to the park. Well, actually, yeah, I went to multiple parks, but after the parks were finished with, I then came back home and decided to play this horror game again with my buddy. We're doing this again. It's Nino Panjam, aka I Got the Glasses. I have my boy with me, Luggy the Goat. Yeah, Luggy, I feel like the tension with you is high today, yo.
What do you mean?
All right, here we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna blaze.
Is you all over?
Yeah, but I'm gonna blaze through everything like it's nothing. Okay, so where was I? Okay, this is regular. Okay. Yeah, I'm not scared. Okay, here we go. Done. Right? Ooh, girl, you're looking so nicey. Okay. Now here's the main problem. I don't remember where or how I got scissors in my hands. Wait, do I have it in my hands? I did something.
Open the door.
Oh, no. Yeah, it wasn't even this door, eh? My bad, I lied. I did something.
I still don't think it was. Going?
I did something.
Is it this door already?
Huh? Yeah. I did something. I don't know what I did to get scissors in my hands. Hold on. Okay, you looking so nicey. Okay, mommy. I had scissors, bro. I had scissors. I don't remember how I got scissors.
Oh, turn around.
Okay.
Why are you moving? I just said turn around.
Okay.
See that? What's that? Oh.
A headband. How I got scissors? I don't know how I got scissors. I looked at this bottle before. I was searching everywhere. I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. I don't care about this biddy. She defied the laws of gravity. Okay, boom, boom, boom. She walked over here, and she stopped like right here. And then I walked.
Oh, look. Oh, never.
Here. Got it. Okay.
Oh, wait.
What?
You're telling me that animation that I just saw right now. You're telling me you didn't see that whole animation.
No, I saw that animation. I was like, yo, why is my nigga coughing, bros? What the hell? And then I looked down. I was like, oh. I thought he was coughing. All right. Now it's getting serious, Luggy. It's about to get serious.
Boom.
Watch.
Go on the Ooh.
Look, I told you about to get serious, yo.
Probably should get beat right now.
Okay.
Whoa.
I've already been through it, so it's not really that scary. Yo, this train is actually so long, bro. Okay, this is where I was. The bones.
Straight. Can you move?
Yeah, I can move.
Go straight to it.
Oh
Go
my.
to it.
Go on it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna rise, bro.
So? That'll be it.
You're crazy.
Yo.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Wait. Search everything first.
Okay.
Like, what's up with the bones? At least, like, you know, have something in it, or I
Yeah.
don't know, something.
Okay.
Alright.
There's nothing on the seats. There's nothing anywhere. My only option is to go forward. Okay. Fuck's going on here? Okay, let's go. Yo, something's gonna happen. Should I just do it, bro?
Mm-hmm.
Luggy, you know something, bro. Something is gonna happen right now, bro.
Keep going.
Watch, halfway point, watch. Nothing?
Oh, you hear that?
I hear it! I hear it! Where is it from? Should I go? Keep going? Yo, that bitty's singing, yo. Okay.
It's actually fucking scary, bro.
Yo.
Run back. What if it closes on? What if it closed on you, bro?
Ooh! No! Oh! What the f is this? Look, what is this? Lucky, what do I do? Lucky, you have to speak to me. What do I do? What do I do? This nigga Lucky left the scene. This nigga Lucky left the scene.
bro.
Lucky, you left the scene, bro. You left the scene for a hot
You
minute.
left the scene, bro.
My nigga, I was right here the whole time. I swear to God.
No, you disconnected.
Oh shit, my bad.
My nigga got so shook. Boom, boom. I was like, what the hell? Live stream done, bro. I was like, what?
What? Oh my God. Okay. My only option is to run down this whole thing, bro.
What happened?
I don't know. There's just a bunch of chains. Can you not see the live stream?
No. Go live?
Oh
You
shit.
left.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
What the fuck? Why are they going so quick?
Okay. Now this is my only option to run down this whole train.
What? What the fuck? What if you're being chased right now and you didn't even know it?
Oh.
She sees you in the dark, eh? Press that button. Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. Oh, lucky. I'm too shook. Hold on. Let me.
Press it again. Try to press it again. Interesting. Why is that shit so intense?
I don't know. Holy shit. I don't want to play. Oh my God. Okay. So I need to be in the dark.
Actually,
then.
go look for a button. Go look for another button. So there's that one. She works in the dark. Stop here. Stop in the middle. See if there's anything inside. Nothing like that.
This is too much, bro.
I think I know what you need to do.
I need to go in the dark and then wait here, bro.
No, try to close that door.
Which door?
Yeah, middle door. Once you're in the dark, try to close that middle door.
This door here?
Yeah.
I don't even think you can close doors, Luggy.
No. When you close, when you like shut off the light,
Yeah.
go there and then enter, and then close the door.
Enter and then close the door.
Or try to close the door.
You want me to die, eh? My nigga said enter and then close the door after you enter the
Yo.
Alright, let's just try it. Okay, where am I?
So fucking dark, man.
It's fucking dark and all these chains are all around me, bro. You see this shit? It's hitting me and shit. Okay,
Turn around.
I turn around. I can't close this door. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay. I'm gonna fucking go back. I'm gonna go back.
Or try to open that other door.
Which one?
No, the other.
All the way back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to open it.
I'm gonna try to open
Weave.
I'm gonna try opening that shit. One more time. I tried opening it before. That shit ain't work. See that bitch don't?
Try, keep going.
Nothing, bro.
Try
Something's
to
up.
look for a key.
Something is up. Yeah, something's going on, bro. What the hell?
You clearly need something.
Something to
Right.
activate something.
Yo, look at the chains, bro.
What happened?
They're all not like, some of them aren't swinging.
What do you mean?
Look at the chains.
What about the chains?
Some of them are just hanging. They're stopping. Are you not noticing this?
What do you mean, bro?
Idiot. You're so stupid. You're stupid, bro. There's less
How am I
chains now.
stupid? What are you talking
They're all
about?
getting bundled up, bro.
Yo, don't stop being mean, bro. What's wrong with you?
Look on top of the chains. They're just hanging.
Oh,
there
yeah,
now.
I see what you're saying. Well, there's some still going spastic, bro. like,
Exactly, but most of them are, something's happening. You see that?
yeah, I
Something's
see
happening, bro.
it. It's like
You better fucking get ready. Yo.
What?
Chill,
What?
chill, 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 chill,
What
chill.
happened? What happened? What happened?
Some of them are just stopping, bro.
Bro, I told
Most
you.
of them are just.
Yo, just wait for this stupid ass biddy, bro. This biddy's gonna pop up, yo. Oh, start scaring niggas, yo. Goofy ass
Oh,
biddy.
fuck.
Yo,
Get
so
ready, bro.
hey man, so how is Inception still, bro?
Shut up, bro.
Bro, chill out. This
I know you're
biddy's
trying
not
to
doing
distract
shit.
yourself.
Nah,
Look, there's like two more. There's like two. Bro, chill.
nigga said
Do you hear
chill. Bro, look,
Yo.
look. As soon as that biddy comes, I'm just gonna turn on the light, bro. Goofy. Everything's gonna go away. Just watch, bro. Look, lock it up. Lock up the chains. Lock up the chains. Who are you, Aunt Jemima? Lock up the chains, Goofy. Stupid ass biddy. I've been waiting here for a minute, yo. It's about time you jump scare a nigga. I've been waiting. Stupid biddy, yo. Oh my god.
I feel like the closer you get, the faster it bundles up. Or the more.
Oh my gosh. It says the movie recording has been stopped. Hold on. No, I'm still good. Let's add another one.
Go
Dude,
closer
man.
to it.
I'm right here. Oh, it's all locked up. It's
No,
all
I'm telling
locked
you.
up. My nigga. It's all locked up. It's all locked right
Yo,
up.
But you see the view? What you have to do is you have to pass that door.
Yo, it's locking up. Yo, it's all fucking locked up, yo.
No,
Nah,
there's a couple.
you got
Oh,
me
shit.
fucked up. You got me
Oh
fucked up.
shit.
Yo,
Chill, chill, chill,
let me just grab some water and I'm gonna go for it. Hold up, alright? It's all locked up. Alright. Let's fucking go.
Oh yeah, Jesus.
Let's fucking go, bro.
Now look it back. Chill, chill. Why you running, bro? Chill, 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 chill. Go to the door.
Chill out. You got me fucked up, Luggy. It's locked up,
No.
bro.
I know. But like, go to the door and just wait there.
Okay.
Why are you scared, bro? Just stay there. And look at the. Just look at the chains. Just look at the change. Chill, 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 chill.
I want to escape. I'm looking at
Just
the
have to
chains.
stay at one place.
Okay, look. I've been asking for this baby to come out, wallahi. Ooh. I think I have to move, bro.
No, I think you have to stop pressing that shit, bro. Don't press it. Oh my god, there's more back there.
Like, he's so fucking bored.
Hold on, let's see how many more chains are left in this station. Hold on. Eat, bro.
I don't know what to tell you, man. Whoa! 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 Turn that shit on! Oh!
Yo.
What? Are you kidding me? Yo, how long I wasted? What the f was that? Oh my god! No, you actually gotta be kidding me. You actually gotta be kidding me.
Yo.
You know how long that took, bro, for whatever
That
reason?
shit came out of
Nowhere.
yo.
Oh my god. Nah, that took way too long. That took way too long.
Boom.
Boom. Oh, what the hell? Okay.
That took way too long. But like, can you open that door though?
Probably.
Whoa. Okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yo.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
The hell? Where are you?
I don't know, bro. I can't move. What the bro? What the No! I'm getting satanized, yo. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
What the hell?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Are you controlling this?
No. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, that was it. Okay. Okay.
Thank you very much for playing our little game. It's just an alpha version. And yeah, we want to make a full game of it. And if you like, support us on Patreon. Patreon.
Yo, that was
This
sick.
guy.
This guy was fresh. Okay. Oh my god.
Waited f***ing 1,000 hours just for that.